Hello, today we will talk about a new list of automotive products. Today's video is about
Snowplow attachments accessories.
Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to get latest videos from our amazing channel.
Warren Industries has led the way in durable, innovative, and trusted off-road products since 1948. Our powerful winches, rock-solid bumpers and mounting systems, versatile rigging equipment, and proven four-wheel drive hubs let truck, Jeep, SUV, and power sports owners go prepared for whatever lies ahead. The all-new Epic Hyperlink is a shackle reimagined the Warren way. Tough, versatile, and with no detail overlooked. A forged aluminum body with two forged steel pins gives it unmatched strength, and an intelligent design allows it to quickly and easily connect to other recovery accessories. While some shackles tie you down, the Hyperlink is engineered to help set you free. That's because of its unique multi-purpose dual-pin construction. It's a real time saver because it greatly simplifies the rigging process when you're connecting to other recovery accessories. There's no need to remove the Hyperlink from the bumper for rigging, saving you time and effort. You'll find that the Epic Hyperlink makes easy work of attaching most hooks, straps, snatch blocks, rope extensions, shackle mount links, and thimbles, shackles, and soft shackles. Find that it connects directly to bumper D-ring mount tabs with at least 1/3/8 clearance from face to center hole and maximum 72,000 pound ultimate braking strength. Rigging scenarios. For example, you'll have the ability to attach winch hook to the Hyperlink mounted to the bumper. Hyperlink mounted to the bumper. 6061 T6 billet aluminum. The screw pin is made of forged steel. It's available in several attractive and corrosion resistant finishes. No matter how difficult the challenge, the Epic Hyperlink can handle it. Online or find an authorized dealer, an authorized online retailer, or a Warren service center near you. If you have any other questions, just email us at cs@warren.com or you can call 800-543-9276. Quality products you can depend on. That's the Warren difference.
Hey everybody, Scott here from Camco. Today I'm going to show you how to assemble and install your black Boar chisel plow onto your black Boar implement lift. Alright, so the black Boar chisel plow, it's made to break up hard ground with its 6 independently adjustable chisels. So we've got just a few main parts. We got parts to make 6 chisels. It's incredibly easy to assemble and install. I'm going to show you how to do that. The only tools you're going to need a 3/4 inch wrench or a deep socket with a ratchet, to make your life a heck of a lot easier, if you have an impact driver, it's going to go by really quickly. We've got our chisel itself, we've got the chisel bracket, and we've got carriage bolt, a washer, a lock nut, a chisel pin, and a linch pin to go into the chisel pin. What we're going to do first is we're going to pre-install our carriage bolt onto our bracket with our washer and our lock nut. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to snug this down, not tight, just snug. And then I'm going to install the chisel into the bracket. Now we recommend that you use the bottom setting. That's the shallowest cut, but you're welcome to adjust it to whatever depth you want. The first chisel should go. We're going to go ahead and we're going to tighten that thing down. To go 6 inches from your first chisel. Tighten that one down. Another 6 inches from there. You're going to go 4 inches from the end of the implement bar, then 6 inches from that first chisel, then another 6 inches from there. And there we have it. Your black Boar chisel plows installed on your black Boar implement lift, and thank you for watching. Hey everybody, Scott here from Camco Manufacturing. Today I'm going to show you how to assemble and install your black Boar motorized implement lift. First, let's go through what's in the box. What's in the box? You got your implement bar, you've got your shank channel, you've got your upper and your lower linkage, you've got your actuator, wiring harness, control grip, And you've got your hardware package. We've got your hitch pin, spring clip. You got 2 actuator pins, 2 actuator spacers, and your linch pins. We got 4 bolts, 4 lock nuts. I like to take this actuator pin, just spin it around, and that'll get it to the length that you want. So you don't have to do any lifting, and it makes life a heck of a lot easier. Okay, so now we're going to take our actuator pin. All right, now we're going to hook up our actuator by hooking up our wiring harness and our control grip to the battery. First thing we're going to do is we're going to connect the red ring terminal to the positive terminal on the 12 volt ATV battery, and we're going to connect the green ring terminal of your wiring harness to the negative terminal on your ATV battery. The 2 pin is going to go the only place where the 2 pin can go, and that is to the back of the actuator. So it clicks. And your 4 pin connection coming off your wiring harness is going to go into the 4 pin connection that is attached to the control grip. Sure, and push it in until it's secure around that little clip. And there you have it. We got our Blackboard motorized implement lift assembled and installed. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.